Hi, I'm Christian J. Samson, your VP for Graphics and Publications. Of course, lagi akong busy nag-edit.
CJ, tapusin mo na edit yung video!
Oo, malapit na.
Eh, yung certificate, tapusin mo na rin!
O sige, after nito.
I am John.
I'm Nicolan Kabatbat, your VP for Communications. Of course, you can communicate with me all the time. Hello? May chika ka? Hala! Sino? Ay, uwi, si ano?
I am Ray Cyrus Castro, your VP for Audit. Of course, I always collect proofs and receipts.
Good day, JPians. My name is Precious Uson, your VP for Finance, of course. Joke lang yung magaling akong humawak ng cash.
I am John Meco Gorospe, and I'm the president. Ay, ulit, local chapter.
Hi! Hello, mga buhay! I'm Lenny Susalio, your VP for Membership. Of course, matangkad na, friendly pa.
I am David Bryson Soriano, and I am your VP for Non-ACAS. Of course, masarap ako.
I'm Gerardo Soriano, your VP for Academics. Of course, matalino ako at alam ko lahat.
Bibi, ano kang dapat dito?
Hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor. Lucky kasi ako sa farm.
Hi, I'm Honsi Cruz, your Junior VP for Non-Academics. Of course, dapat sporty tayo.
I'm Riorina Andrea A. Castro, your Junior VP for Academics. Of course, pati 1+1 kinakalkyo ko pa.
Sandali, uli! Huwag yung sasalita! Uli!
I am Jessica May Tamandong, your Operations in Committee. Of course, mahilig akong mag-go-go-go! Gora na to! Hello, fellow students! I'm Alexander Gail H. De Guzman, your Finance Committee. Of course, sa akin lahat mapupunta ng pera nyo. But, in a good way! Uy, yung bayad mo sa GPS shirt!
I'm Joanna Marie Volataw, and yes, I'm the General Secretary. Of course, I'm punctual, never been late, not even once.
I'm John Lloyd Valerio, your graphics committee. Of course, artistic ako.
Hi, I'm Angel Nancy de la Cruz. I am the Graphics and Publications Committee. Of course, I'm picky and maarte when it comes to fonts and color palette. Slay.
I'm Janelle Maramba, and I'm your membership committee. Of course, pipilitin kitang sumama ng RMYC. Uy, Joanna! Sama ka ng RMYC, ah. Nilista ko na yung pangalan mo. Wala ka nang magagawa doon.
Hi, I'm Mark Lawrence Prado, your Communication Committee. Of course, I am respectful. Hoy!
I am Brian Jose, your audit committee. Of course, napupwet ako kaka-audit. Uy, wag!
I am Medijan Dex Espiritu, your fourth year representative. Of course, I'm friendly and approachable.
Rep, pa-distribute daw.
I am Nico Bautista, your third year representative. Of course, convincing ako maningil. Uy, magbayad ka na!
I'm Andrea Tiraneo, your second year representative. Of course, pala desisyon ako. Hoy, Tay! Ikaw na sama ko, ha? Ayoko! Ay, ikaw na! Ayoko nga eh!
Hello, madlang
people! I'm Sandy P. Meneses, your first year representative. Of course, man-update agad si kayo.
Dali, ano ba yun? I am John Mero Gorospe, and I'm the local chapter president of the JPIA VMEF. Of course, sinusunod ako ng mga officers ko. Officers! Of course, magiging future CPA kami.
Ika nga, eh.
Eh!